Okay, so today I'm going to walk you through setting up multi-factor authentication, which is the MFA, on your root user account. All right, so after logging in, all right, so navigate where you see your profile. So click on it, click on your profile, then you see security credentials. All right, here you see your account name, click on it, then click on the security credentials. So when it opens up, you see MFA, multi-factor authentication. All right, click on assign MFA, click assign MFA, and then this is where you have to input the device name. So you can say my AWS. All right, so this is the device name that would be used for this authentication. All right, then on this option, click on authenticator app. All right, click on authenticator app, then scroll down and click on next. So here you need your mobile phone, and you would install the authenticator app on your mobile phone. All right, so install a compatible application such as Google Authenticator. So install this app and then click on show QR code to scan the code. When you scan the code, it will show you MFA code. So input those code here and here. So I'm going to do that right away. So after inputting the code here, then you click on add MFA. All right, so I've already added one, so you click on add MFA. All right, so when you click on add MFA, it will now show on your mobile device. So each time you want to log in, it will prompt you to input the code gotten from that authenticator app. All right, so let's log out and log in again, so we'll see how it works. So I'm going to click on sign out, click on sign out, and I'm going to sign in again. So I'm going to sign in using a root account. Next, security check T6RSPY. So I'll click on submit. This is not correct. So ZC6XD8. All right, repeat your password. And so you can see the MFA here in play. All right, so it's telling us to saying multi-factor authentication. So here we'll now go to our mobile device. All right, pick up the code from the multi-factor app that we downloaded. So I'm going to input 393026, and you click on submit, and that's it, we are in. All right, so this adds a extra layer of security to your account. All right, so with that multi-factor code, I'm able to log in to my account. So if I lost that code, I won't have access to my account. So you have to ensure you keep it safely. So thank you, and on the next tutorial I'll be talking about creating IAM user from AWS management console. Bye.